Uulitin ko mga hiring ulit. Sa bansang Serbia, unahin ko na. Bansang Serbia, aluminum welder 20, locksmith 10. Ayan, bansang Serbia. Sunod naman si Slovenia. Production operator 20, production engineer 10, CNC machine operator 10, truck driver 10, chef 10, at auto spray painter and auto polisher 20 at 10 katao. Yan po. Yan po sa bansang Slovenia. Sunod naman po si bansang Hungary. Hiring naman po sila ng truck driver. Sunod naman truck driver 10. Sunod naman production operator 50. Ayan na. Ayan sila. Ayan. At not but not the least, ang bansang Croatia. Yay. 50 katao. Yan. Production operator. Yan.